This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I hope you are all relaxing on your weekend. So in this video, as usual, we are going to look at price action analysis for gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us find out what could be the price action for coming Monday. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for Monday. Monday will be June 20. We have medium impacting news at 6:30 p.m. for euro related currency pairs. An important point is there is a bank holiday for US. Again at 8:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for euro currency pairs. Again at 10:15 p.m. we have medium impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs. So looking at Monday, we don't have any high impacting news, and also we have bank holiday for US. So we can expect low volatility on Monday. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now when we analyze the price action from the daily time frame. From this point, the price action went on a bullish trend. Here we can notice that this trend line was acting as a support line, and here it has broken this support line, and currently this trend line is acting as a resistance line for the current price action. And did we have similar situation in the past? I'm going to look at the past price action. So from here I'm drawing a resistance line. Here the trend line has acted as a very strong resistance line, whereas it has broken this resistance line and went on a bullish trend. Again it breached this support line and started its downtrend. When it retraced also, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line. So it is a similar price action we are noticing currently. It has breached the support line, and now the price action has bounced back from this resistance line. And I have drawn one more resistance line. We can notice that the price action has consolidated within this support and resistance line. Finally, it has breached this support line and continued its bearish trend. And I am going to draw one more support line over here. So currently we are noticing the price action to consolidate within this support and resistance line. And we already know that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. Whenever it comes across a strong support or resistance level, the price action bounces back. Currently the price action has bounced back from this resistance line, and presently we are noticing a red candle being formed over here. So if the price action breaches this trend line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame also. And when we ask the question whether the trend in daily time frame is in bullish trend or in a bearish trend, we have to understand the past price action. It was in a downtrend and it has made a retracement. Currently also it is in a downtrend and it is making a retracement. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be a start of a new bullish trend. Otherwise we can expect the previous trend to continue in daily time frame, which means the bearish trend. Currently it is consolidating within this support and resistance line. There is no trend in daily time frame and it is in a retracement for now. And when we look at the resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1877 and support level of 1804. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1804, it will be a continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1877, it will be bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current resistance and support levels from the higher time frame, 1878 is going to be the current resistance level from the daily time frame, and we have 1804 as a very strong support level from the daily time frame. And current price action is trading within this resistance and support levels. Within this resistance and support levels, I am drawing a trend line or the support line to make you to understand the price action more clearly. So here we have noticed the price action to take support on this trend line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish side. And again we have noticed the price action to break through this support line and to retest on this resistance line. And currently the price action has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal from this resistance line. And if the price action manages to break this support line, which is around 1836, we can expect the price action to retrace up to the trend line or support line, which is going to be around 1804. On the other hand, when we draw a resistance line connecting the high from this level, so and looking at the price action from this resistance line, every time the price action tests this resistance line, the price has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. But on the bottom side, we have noticed that every time the price action tests this support level of 1804, it has bounced back on the bullish side. So the overall price action is consolidating within this resistance line and the support line, forming into a triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side. Currently the price action in 4 hours time frame is also moving on a sideways, consolidating within this resistance and support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line. Currently we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line over here, and I am going to draw one more support line over here. So from this support line we can understand that the current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means there is no direction in the market. It can either break out on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take a directional trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Previously the price action was in a bearish trend, took support around the higher time frame support level of 1804, and it went on a bullish trend. It couldn't break the resistance line over here and it is in a downtrend for now. Wait for the price action to break the support line in order to take a trade on the bearish side, because the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action trend on the bearish side. If the price action doesn't manage to break this support level of 1836, we can expect it to bounce back on the bullish side. But again we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line or the trend line. Wait for it to give a breakout from this resistance line on the bullish side or break the higher time frame support line in order to take the trade on the bearish side. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a consolidation. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So in 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing a resistance line or a trend line. The price action has given a breakout from this resistance line over here, and currently it has made a bullish trend reversal. So as long as the price action doesn't break this trend line or the support line, the trend in 5 minutes time frame will be in a bullish trend. And if the price action breaks this support line, it will be a continuation of the previous downtrend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Since the price action in higher time frame is under consolidation, we are noticing multiple trends in lower time frames. I would recommend you to always follow the higher time frame trends in order to get a better results. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.